Hey guys, it's Mooregirl coming back with a quick DIY. Yes, it's time for that spring decorating again. Remember these candlesticks that I hauled from the Goodwill last month? Well, now it's time to decorate. I do want the Topiary balls, but I can't find them. So I went to Dollar Tree to see if I can find to make them, but they didn't have the moss and they didn't have the styrofoam balls. So instead, I'm going to use glass vases from the Dollar Tree. And also this lamp I hauled from the Goodwill 2 weeks ago. So the lamp still needs a shade, so I'm still looking for a rectangular shade. So I'm not going to worry about that project now. I'm only going to do the candlesticks. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, so Caesar Topiary ball that I like. I had this like I think a year ago from Ross, but I can't find them anymore and I'm tired of just searching them out. So I figure, that's okay. What I also wanted to do is not have a complete round ball because I might want to put like a votive or maybe some Easter decor in them. So I wanted to sort of be like a vase. So I can figure I can always put something in them as well as for extra decor, flowers or anything like that. So since I couldn't find the styrofoam nor the moss at the Dollar Tree, I did get the glass vases right here from the Dollar Tree, and I went to Michael's to get the moss. And I did use a 50% coupon. I think they were $16.99, so I think I paid about $8.50. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. I'm going to measure where the glass is from the top to the bottom. I think it's about 3 to 4 inches. I want it to go from edge to edge. I don't want it to overlap into the glass, and I don't want to overlap too much at the bottom because I want to put the candlestick there. So I want to stop really at the edge. Okay, now I'm going to measure where I want the cut. As again, I said I want it edge to edge. So once I got my measurements, I'm just going to cut it straight across. And then what I'm going to do from there is just to make sure that the sharp part is at the bottom of the glass and then the raw is at the front because I want the raw edges to come over to the rim of the glass. Now I'm going to start to glue it. And I originally tried to do spray adhesive first and glue it, and that didn't come out properly. So basically, I'm just going to glue it all around and just watch because this glue is hot and this is sort of like a fiber, so it'll seep through. So just be careful with this part. What I recommend, what I do, normally when I deal with the heat now, just like when I did the frame, I use my bone scorer because that way I could press on a hot glue without getting burnt. And if you don't have a bone scorer, just get like one of those sticks, like a popsicle stick from the Dollar Tree. Now that I have it all glued down, what I'm going to do now is just trim the rim. So I'm going right to the edge and just trim it right across. It's that easy, guys. Now, once it's trimmed all across, what you want to do is make sure the glue is to the edge of the rim and make sure all of that is secure. Okay, I'm still forming the ball just to make sure everything is nice and tight. Top and bottom. Okay, so I have my opening here. If I want to use some type of tea light candle, I could. All right, so the next thing is to place it. Hot glue. I don't want it permanent. So I'm just going to put glue on, just little dabs on both sides. Make sure it's centered. Press it down. And once it's cooled, I have a topiary ball. So what do you think, guys? Okay, my topiary vase is done. So, I don't have it too dense. I like that you could see some of the light comes through it, but you could see over here that when the light is not shining directly in it, it still looks dense. Just because I want to put maybe a little tea light candle in there or something like that. I think it should have a nice warm glow at night. So guys, this is my project. It was my quick DIY. So thanks for checking it out. All right, next thing we're going to be doing, we know it. We doing that clock. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl, and thanks for stopping by.